In this video, I'm going to show you how to get money from Chime Spot Me. So Spot Me is a free feature available to eligible Chime members who have an activated debit card and receive regular monthly deposits of at least $200. Now it has an overdraft protection, so Spot Me lets you overdraw your account up to your approved limit with no fees, which is great, okay? Now, automatic repayment is also a feature it has, so any deposits made to your account will automatically cover your negative balance. And SpotMe also provides overdraft coverage ranging from $20 to $200, giving you flexibility when your balance runs low. So to actually use this and to get money from Chime SpotMe, what you have to do is launch the Chime app, and then you have to open up settings at the very top left of your screen. You have to click on the gear icon, and then in here you want to look for this setting which says overdraw free fee free, and what you want to do is toggle it on, so make sure this is green over here, and underneath this setting you can also see your limit, so it's going to be anywhere between $20 to $200, and then you have to make a purchase, and when you make a purchase you can essentially overdraft, and then you have to wait for your next deposit, and when your money is deposited into your Chime account, it will automatically be applied to your negative balance, and you will not receive any overdraft fees, which is great. So this happens automatically as long as you have this option turned on over here and you run out of money while making a purchase. That's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.